Are you a busy woman over 40? The holiday season is here. With it comes temptations, cravings, sugar traps, stuck in the office, excuses as excuses, self-sabotaging behavior. I know, I've been there. What if I could tell you that when you wake up in the morning, you can go ahead and have that mocha frappe pumpkin spice latte without guilt or anything else that comes with it, because you made it yourself with holistic ingredients that feeds your mind, body, and soul. I'm here to share this recipe with you so that you can be in a right spot in the morning, full of energy, instead of this endless cycle of spikes and lows that sugar can do. I'm going to show you a mocha frappuccino that is healthy and it starts off your day the right way. So let's dive in. What we're going to do is we're going to take, I like to use just the grinds of Starbucks. Don't add sugar to it. And I put it in my coffee maker. And then I live where it's hot, so I don't really want to use hot coffee. But I am also impatient, so I did do it hot. You could cold brew it. I think you've got to wait like overnight, and I skipped that part. My ice is melting, so I like to use a lot of ice. Here, hold on. Alright, my ice is packed in there. It's because I got the ice before I started this video. That's okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our fresh pumpkin and we are going to put 1/4 cup of this pumpkin in here. So preferably you want to measure. I'm just going to wing it. I'm pretty confident I know what 1/4 cup looks like. I'm visualizing it. I'm going to guess like that's enough for me. Might have overdone it, honestly, but it's good. We're going to roll with that. Then I want to add turmeric and just a little dash, like 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add a little bit of basically it's sea salt. I got thrown off because it said chili on it, and I know it wasn't chili. But it's kind of funny. And then, oh yeah, we need to take the coffee and had to press that. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Anyway, coffee smells amazing. Then we want to take the best part, pumpkin spice, and just put in, I want to put like at least 1/4, probably 2 of those. I love this stuff. I'll add a little bit more. And mine's definitely like a 1/2 teaspoon. You do what you want to do. This is what I'm doing. Now, mine is a borderline, not as holistic as you can be. I would advise using monk fruit and cocoa powder. I'm skipping that because I am broke, I'll be honest. This is a cheap way of doing it. It has low sugar. I'm just using 1 scoop, and it has that both the cocoa and a little bit of sugar, which, yeah, not the best sugar, but you know, we got to do what we got to do with what we have, you know. I say eating as much holistic as possible is better than giving in to that donut. So keep that in mind. Then I'm adding a protein. This is obviously not the best one. I would highly recommend my go-to, which is this one. I'm not brand sponsored, but honestly, that one's pretty clean, plant-based protein. But unfortunately, I ran out, and the best place is Amazon, and I haven't done it. So instead of not having protein, I'm stuck with what they have over that I can get. So we are doing it the wrong way, but that's okay. And then we want to add milk. I am using coconut milk, unsweetened. And then my favorite part is dried chia seeds. Now, it will expand in your stomach. Make sure you drink plenty of water. For me, this has done wonders for my diet, and I'm aware that you can soak them, but I've researched the pros and cons of doing both. For me, the non-soaking version is the best, and I'm going to stick with that. So you can soak it or not soak it. I did 2 tablespoons of it, probably a little too much this time. I don't know. You don't want to go overboard. You do want to be realistic. So then take this and we blend it. I use a Vitamix. I love this stuff. I got mine at Costco a couple years ago. I don't know if they still make this one there, but I like it because it has these little... Okay, I had to drink it. It was like overflowing. Oh my. That's really, really, really good. Anyway, I want to top mine off with some pumpkin spice. Honestly, this is really good. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, I know. I will try to do the monk fruits next time instead of my cocoa. Oh, something dropped. Instead of my cocoa sugar hack. But whatever. Alright, I'm gonna go and enjoy this because it's dang good. If you like this video, then let me know. And if you find any value in it, if you like the recipe, comment reset and I'll send you my whole course. It has this recipe in it. It helps you add rituals to every day of your life so that you can overpower cravings effortlessly without willpower. And would you add this to your breakfast? I know I am, definitely during this holiday season. If you want to see my next creation, which is Stag Bites, these power-packed protein balls that you can freeze and take with you to work to bust those cravings, especially during the holiday season. They're also going to be a pumpkin spice flavor. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.